right, the marbling section. Everybody loves this part. Okay, so we're going to take the coloring, whatever coloring that you like to use, and spread it around evenly around the edges of the chocolate. That way when you get that toothpick, you can move it around and glide it the way you want to. That way there's not too much chocolate or too much coloring on one side, and it's like an even distribution. So typically I'll go up and down and then side to side like you'll see there. Now you only see me tilting the cup because I'm trying to get that camera angle. And then I will dip the strawberry, go in circles around that rim, and that rim is where the red of the strawberry meets the leaf. And then as you're going up, you're going to want to just release and let it sit into the chocolate. Grab the toothpick in a sturdy hand, and you're just going to want to turn it as you're moving up. Evenly distributed, going up and down, side to side, getting that pattern down. You see how I release and then I'll pull and turn as I'm going up. That's what's going to give you that marble look. Now release the strawberry and let it sit into it, and then get a good grip and go up and spin at the same time. Now the only reason I tapped onto the container was just to shake up the remaining colors. That way they can move around a lot more, be more on the edges and spread out around the strawberry.